Hi everyone! Today we're going to make a class pop-up book. We need a pencil, a ruler, scissors, some glue, and colored paper, as well as fun googly eyes. So let's get started. The amount of paper you need is equivalent to the number of students you have in your class. If you have 3 students, you just need 3 sheets of paper. Take all the sheet of paper and fold it in half like this. Using a ruler, draw 2 lines midway through. I would suggest about 5 centimeters. 1, 2. Then take your scissors and cut along the lines. There we go. Almost done. Now fold over the sheet like this. Now let's have a look inside. Turn it over and lift open the cover. And let's try separating the sheet of paper one by one. Now what you can do is you can hand out each sheet of paper to each student. I'm going to put the sheet aside for now. Let's make one sample pop-up book for one student. In this example, I'm going to use the theme My Pet and ask students to draw about their pets and write about it as well. We can use some nice colored paper, and for this example, I'm going to cut up a little cat. This is his ear, 1, and 2. And he has 2 eyes, 1, and another one. And I like to use googly eyes, so there we go. And another one. I'm going to use the pink colored paper for his ears, a marker for his nose and his mouth. And he's going to have a furry head. This is Max the cat. Meow! Okay, so we're ready to put Max in the pop-up book. For this, you'll need some glue. We can glue the cat onto the fold here, like this. And then students can write sentences about their pet. So I'm going to write some sample sentences here. And this is what the final product will look like. When students have finished writing and drawing about their pet, take all of their projects and put them together side by side like this. Then, using your glue, start pasting all of the projects on top of each other. Now let's open up the class book. On the first page, you'll see my example of Max the cat. And on the second page, another student's example. This is your class pop-up book. After all the projects are glued together, we can create a nice cover for this class pop-up book. Here's an example. Do you like the cover? I'm sharing some other examples of my pet as well. Let's have a look inside. My turtle. And my goldfish or fish. And my puppy or my dog. Do you see how creative and flexible this project can be? It can also be quite rewarding. Students can work together and create individual projects, but in the end, it becomes one class book, which they can read together and look through together as well. I'm curious, what theme or topic or subject would you use this template with? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, remember to tap like or subscribe to my channel. See you again. Bye-bye.